My name is Erica. For the old subscribers, guys, yeah, my old subscribers, guys, thank you very much for staying tuned. And yeah, it's been a long time since I posted a video, like months ago or so. Yeah, so in today's video, as you can see from the why is it how do I remove it? Yeah, as you can see from the title of the video, yeah, the title of the video, yeah, I'll be unboxing my new laptop. More details of this laptop will come later, okay? I don't know much about laptops, so you all have to spare me. Yeah, so but I opened the box. Oh god, it's heavy. Oh shit. Okay. So yeah, so this is a box. This one, but I already opened it because I was curious to see what kind of laptop it was. Because I don't think there were details. Yeah, there are no details here, so I had to open it. So we're gonna see what's inside. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, this is the laptop. This one. So yeah. Okay, guys. I won't mention the name. I won't have to do all the information and stuff, but I'll put the information about the video in the link down below, so in my bio, so your bio, yeah, in the description box down below. So yeah, so satisfying to open your own box. Guys, I already saw what it was, so I was excited the first time, so today's excitement is not that much, but well, it is what it is. Okay, plastic gold box now. Oh god. Okay, so now we're back. Yeah, I removed the laptop, but I don't know if I removed the plastic, so but I don't know if you guys can see that. Okay, so I've been told this is the MacBook Air 2020 version. Yeah, baby, it's 2020.
2020 version.
Yeah,
the latest.
Yeah, the latest. Yeah, 2020 version. So, ew. Oh my god. Now, okay, so I hope I don't. Voila! Oh. So, I don't know if I should be flipping. So, this is it. This is it. The cable. Oh, so this cable is different. The laptop charger is different from yours. Oh boy. Okay. Alright.
Do you see the...
The what?
Sorry.
So what you wanted to say?
The adapter is there.
Oh, the...
It's in that white bag.
Yeah, I saw it. So guys, this is it. If I drop this, I drop my soto. It is my favorite color of apple. It's my babe. That's scratching of the pot. It is my favorite color of Apple products. I like rose gold, but definitely for my iPhone I'm going to change because I don't think. Do you have rose gold for an iPhone 12 or something? Oh. Oh, good. Oh. Let's see. This is it. Oh, I've done it. Oh.
To use English as the main language, press the return key.
English India. That would be fun. Oh God, guys. Yo. So, where am I right now? In just a few steps, you can register and set up your mainland China. It's already sent me to mainland China. Okay, fine. Triple click.
macOS contains a built-in screen reader called VoiceOver. If you know how to use VoiceOver, press Command F5 now to turn it on and set up your Mac. If you would like to learn how to use VoiceOver to set up your Mac, press the Escape key.
Okay. Okay. Wi-Fi. Yeah. What's the Wi-Fi password? Your name, then 129. Okay. But I think, let's see. Okay. I'm not going to do a whole video about functions or something. You guys can check it out later on. You can go and search for it on the Apple YouTube channel because I don't even know how to do all this. I'm not good at computers, so I don't know the functions, but hey. I don't know the functions, but yeah, I don't know. I already know the functions, so yeah, I think we're gonna end the video up to here. So this is a laptop that I got. The rest of it I'm gonna do a short clip about it. Hopefully it'll be good. I just wanted to open it in front of the camera, that's all. So guys, bye bye. See you next time. I don't know when next time is.